And I get asked this all the time, where do you get your coffee table books? Where do you get your beauty book? I did buy this and I fell in love with it, you guys. Something I got for the new house. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Makeup Monday. I am finally doing this video because I have binge watched so many Amazon videos and I feel like I have so many things from Amazon. I would say half of our household is from Amazon. I am shopping on there 24/7, so I really am just so excited and thrilled to be doing this video. And I have a ton of different things from beauty, lifestyle, to decor, and just tons of things I think you will enjoy just as much as me. So definitely let me know in the comments if there's anything you guys have just been dying over from Amazon that I have not seen or heard of yet. Then definitely let me know in the comments. If you also have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe now and join the fam. And I am just gonna roll right into this video. So first thing I have here, of course, is my brush holder, also from Amazon. And I've had these for years. I think they're awesome. They're so inexpensive. And if you don't have an Amazon Prime account, you have to get one. Like, I mean, I know the shipping's been a little crazy right now, obviously with everything going on, but usually Amazon Prime, you get stuff within like 2 days. So it's awesome. And I love these acrylic holders so much. You don't have to just put makeup brushes in here. You could put any sort of makeup, really. You could put lip glosses, anything that you would want standing up basically. But yeah, it's really nice for either your office space, your beauty room. You could put pens in here even, or use it for your washroom, really anywhere you want. But I find that these are just amazing to use. And I remember when I bought them, I bought like 2 or 3. So they really are all over my house, but more than ever, I like using them as a makeup brush holder. Okay, so the second thing I have here is a little jewelry tray. I actually got this pretty recently and it's for the new house, but it's so beautiful and inexpensive. It actually has a really lovely gold rim around it. And this is really nice, like by your bedside, or you can have it in your master bathroom. I actually have it in my beauty room right now, so it really can go wherever you want, but it's so beautiful. And I was looking for one exactly like this and was kind of surprised to find one on Amazon. So I feel like this is perfect for my new closet. And right in here, I just actually have Mia and Sophia's bracelets. So these were their baby bracelets that I got made, and it has an M&S. So I just keep it on here for keepsake, and I just love it. Like, I feel like it's really nice quality, and this is just something that I would typically find at like HomeSense or something like that, just obviously more inexpensive. All right, so number 3 I'm asked about in all my videos whenever I'm showing my Neverfull bags. So these are actually the inserts, and I have 2, so I wanted to show you both. This one is my favorite, and I have this in my Neverfull, and I put my camera equipment in here, my camera, my tripod, and like my passport. And this is honestly the perfect travel essential, and not just in a Neverfull, but you can put this in another bag if it is larger, and it's just such a nice organizer. It even has these 3 pockets right here that you can use to like slip in pens, whatever you want, makeup brushes, even if you wanted to. And I just love these velvet organizers. They are amazing. And the other thing I actually use them for, so this was another one that I bought, and look, it has all the girls' hair accessories in here. So I obviously have to organize it a little bit better, but we've just been putting on a ton of different outfits on them and doing like fun little photo shoots at home. So this is just honestly so nice to put different breadths, hair accessories, and things into. And then the nice part too, you can actually take out the middle part if you didn't want it in there. So if you had to put something larger, you could do that as well. But these are awesome, you guys. If you've not seen these, they come in just about every color. Obviously I had to get the pink ones, but there's this size, and then obviously this one is a little bit bigger. you can see there, and a little bit of a different pink as well. So I do prefer this one. It's more of like, I think, a prettier pink. This one's more vibrant, but I mean, you can get either or, but totally something that I am obsessed with and would recommend to you guys. Okay, so fourth thing is actually a lot of things, but I will show you what I'm talking about. So you can already tell, and I get asked this all the time, where do you get your coffee table books? Where do you get your beauty books? And I use all of them for decor, so you see them all throughout my room all the time, but they're all from Amazon. So my Sephora book right here, which I think is perfect. This is actually on our coffee table downstairs in our living room, and it was styled that way when we were getting our house modeled, and they did a fabulous job, and that is why I bought it. I actually saw it downstairs and I loved it so much in our living room that I went out and got myself one, and it's actually from Amazon, so definitely check it out. And I think this is an awesome beauty book to have in your space, even in your office, and I just think it's lovely. So there's that. One of my favorites is this right here, and I actually have two of them, so I will show you the other one too. Oh, it's over there. I will get it after. So I actually have two styles of this book here. So this is the Paris, and it's by Megan Hess. So I do follow her on Instagram. She has so many cute books. They're all on Amazon, and these make for such beautiful decor pieces, you guys. And I just love her illustrations. I actually have a book for the girls as well done by her. So definitely check her books out. They are so beautiful, and her illustrations are just to die for. So definitely check it out. But I use this obviously for decor, but you can obviously read it as well. It's just so beautiful. And then the other one I have right here. So all my Chanel books are also from Amazon. So this right here, I mean, these are probably more expensive in stores, so chapters, and you can definitely get them on Amazon. This is one of my favorites because it's one of the larger ones. So this one right now I actually have on my ottoman, and it's one of my favorites. So there is this one, and I might as well just open it up to show you what's going on the inside here, so you can check it out. The Chanel books are my favorite though. They're so pretty. The other one I want to get in the new house is the Tom Ford. So that is the one that's like super heavy in luxe, and I don't want to buy it until we're moved in. There's no point. I can just get it with Prime. And yeah, if you have not seen that one, it is nice. The other one I have here is actually a home decor book. So Elements of Style, and this is a very popular one and great affordable book. And this one we actually have downstairs on our built-ins, and it's being used as decor right now. So really beautiful. I really love this book. There's also a ton of inspo on the inside here as well for your home and how to decorate and everything like that. So just thought I would share that as well. It's just a really nice, fun book to have. And then the other book as well, Kate Spade. Gotta love Kate Spade right here, all her pretty books. So All in Good Taste. I've had this one for years, but you can actually get it on Amazon as well. And it's just such a beautiful pink. Obviously, if you love pink, it actually goes with my sweater. But if you love pink, you're gonna love this book to have out in your space. So it's kind of hard to show you with one hand right here, but there we go. That's what it looks like. But yeah, very beautiful book, and those ones are my top favorites. I do have some other ones, but first I thought I would show you my laptop case. For those of you that have seen my computer, which is my Mac Air, I use it every single day and I love how thin it is. And I actually found the case for it on Amazon, which basically all my like technology things, my cameras are all from Amazon, my tripod, my lighting systems that I had before were also from Amazon. But the other thing I bought was a protector as well for my laptop. So this is amazing if you are traveling, and they have so many pretty ones. This one's my favorite, and it actually fits the case in here as well. So it is like really nice and thick, and I just like my laptop to be secure when I'm traveling. That is like, you know, a big thing when I'm working, even like uploading videos sometimes when we are traveling. So it just makes sense to have it well protected. But yeah, this is one of my favorite things. So the next thing I have right here, if you are a watch lover, you need this in your life. And I was so happy to find it because it's so pretty. It's nice and big too. So it actually fits all of my watches. I have some out on display right now. on my wall shelf there, but I do have some of like my Vincero watches in here. I have an Olivia Burton watch as well, and I just feel like it's just a really nice displayed case for your watches if you are into watches. So let me just open it really quickly to show you. But it was very inexpensive too, and it came really fast, so I was very happy about that. But that's what it looks like there, and I was actually really surprised to find one of this size on Amazon, so definitely check it out. They have some really pretty display cases for your watches, for your jewelry on Amazon, so even larger ones. I will link other options down below, but this one is my favorite. So I just found the two other books I wanted to quickly show you. So this is the other one she has, Megan Hess, so I will link down all of her books down below, but this is the Coco Chanel. Look how pretty this is. I know so many other YouTubers that actually got this after I've mentioned it in a few of my videos, so they are really awesome, you guys, and inexpensive, and I definitely highly recommend getting them. If you are looking for cute little coffee table books, this is perfect. And then the other one, which is also another favorite of mine, is this Chanel book. So it does have the pink and gold logo right here, which does matter because if you are displaying them, it's nice to have a really like pretty color here, or you know, the thickness of the book, the size of the book as well. So this is like the perfect size coffee table book, and I love this one. I think it's my favorite. So this one I did get on Amazon, and it's so hard to show you guys when I'm holding it, but this is kind of what it looks like on the inside here. So it's got lots of pictures, but obviously I use it more so for just a coffee table book. But yeah, super pretty. Next thing I have right here is actually an organizer for your stationery. So I couldn't find this exact one. I know I did get it on Amazon, but I will link ones that are very similar down below. But I actually, for the new house, I want to get a whole stationery set. I saw a really nice golden acrylic one, so I'll attach a picture here for you guys to see. But they have such nice, beautiful stationery. And this right here, I love anything acrylic where you can actually see like pretty pens and stationery and things like that. So this one I actually have in my office here. Well, not office, it's in our second bedroom, but that's where my desk is currently. But I just wanted to quickly show you. It is really, really cute and pretty. So the next thing I have right here is something, I did do one Amazon video before actually, but it wasn't like an Amazon video like this. It was just a dupes video for Louis Vuitton items. So I did buy this and I fell in love with it, you guys. Out of all the things I got from Louis Vuitton dupes, this was my favorite. And if you're looking for something very similar to Louis Vuitton, this is honestly one of the best dupes I've ever seen. The quality is like so nice, and it feels really heavy and expensive, and it was very inexpensive. So definitely check it out. I'll leave a link down below. It has the pink button, which I like here. And also, like I said, all of the pink on the inside. It's just really pretty. It totally reminds me of a Louis Vuitton wallet, and it's almost identical. So I definitely have been loving this, and I have it actually just in with my other small leather accessories. So really is a beautiful wallet. Okay, so this one is really random, but I just went and got them downstairs. Succulents. So this is actually something I've been looking for my new office, and I found so many options on Amazon. I'll leave down below these marble ones I saw, which I'm gonna get for my office, and just look how fun these are. I love them, and not until we had our house stages when I realized how much I loved succulents and having small little plants. It's just so fun to have all over your house. So these are the ones that I have right here staged in our house, but there's so many you can get on Amazon. So the marble ones I just saw today, and I'm like, I'm getting those ones. So I am gonna order those, and I just wanted to show you, but they are so fun and so pretty, and I love them. Okay, so next thing I have here are something I got for the new house. So I've only got two, but I plan on getting a lot more because these are gonna go into my drawers in my new walk-in closet. And this is actually to hold your jewelry, you guys. So these are really, really perfect for organizing earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. So I have two here that I've already done. And I just love seeing everything displayed and everything so visually put together and separated and organized. So I just absolutely love these. I love how it has a section for your earrings and rings. And then I love how the earrings actually have their own little areas here because I just think that's fantastic. I have a lot of bigger hoops that I just like separating. So I think that it just looks so nice and organized. So definitely check these out. I also like how plain they are. I just got the plain silver because I think this will go nice with the marble that I have in my closet, but they do have some other colors I did see. The other thing I went and grabbed was my laptop, just to show you if you are looking for a nice laptop case. I do have the link down below, so definitely check it out. But right here it comes also with like the little keyboard protector as well. So I love this laptop so much. It's my favorite. I love the case. It's nice pink. So the last few things I did want to mention are beauty related. So the two items I have here that I constantly buy on Amazon are my coconut oil and bio oil. So bio oil is great when you're pregnant. It's also great for post-baby as well. So I still put it on my tummy, and it's really great for cellulite. So if you haven't tried bio oil, you can get it on Amazon. Also coconut oil, I love the big tubs. I use coconut oil on everything, including my hair, my skin, makeup remover. You can use it to cook with as well. So basically everything, it'll be your best friend. So those are two things that I always buy on Amazon. The other thing I did want to mention, I don't have it with me. I actually gifted the two she gave to me, one to my mom and one to Ryan's mom. So my friend actually has her own company with Amazon, and it's a hairbrush company. It's a detangler, so definitely check them out. They are so pretty. They come in the nicest pastel colors. These brushes are the best for my wigs and also the best for just not pulling on my natural hair. And you guys already know what I'm dealing with right now with my alopecia and my hair loss, so I definitely like using something that's delicate, but I love hers. I also love supporting my friends, so definitely check it out if you guys are in need of a good hairbrush, and they are amazing. Really nice pretty colors they come in. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys a few more things that I wanted to share. So of course my vlogging camera, which I am using to film right now, and it's the G7X. I tell you guys about it all the time, and if you're looking to invest into a pretty inexpensive camera that's easy to function, easy to use, definitely try it out. It is awesome. And then I got this little tripod on Amazon as well. And then the other camera that I use, this is more for photos, but it is the 70D Canon. So you can also get this on Amazon as well. It's a great camera. And then also what I like about it has the flip screen, so you can actually see yourself. I feel like any camera where you can see yourself, you know what's going on, is a little bit easier to deal with. So yeah, this is a nice camera for photos. Like I said, I do like to film with my vlogging camera, which I am using right now. And then a tripod is also your best friend. And what I like about this one, it actually can sit anywhere. So I can just sit it on top of, you know, like my ottoman, on my vanity, and it's just so accessible. It's so tiny, and even filming it downstairs in my kitchen, anywhere really. And also it's a handheld, so you can hold it like this and then vlog when you need to, and it's just awesome. So if you have not gotten a tripod for your vlogging camera, definitely check out this one. It is my favorite. And I know I said I wasn't going to show you guys anything baby related, but I had to share with you these. They're so cute. They just came in the mail, and I actually wanted to get ones that would go along with our new home. So these ones here are marble, and these are perfect for the girls' fruit snacks. So just giving them fruit, cutting it up, and they're just so cute. And marble. I love marbles so much, and they also stick, which is really, really nice, so they can't move it. And they come with these little spoons, which is fantastic, and these are perfect. I mean, you can have these, like, I think it said 4 months, so you can use these for feeding bowls, but if they are a little bit older like my girls, then obviously you can transition it into just snacks. But they're so pretty. I am obsessed. I know I didn't have a million things to share with you, but these are just all the things that I could grab that I have really loved and that I wanted to talk about. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see another one in the new house, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. And also let me know if I'm missing out on anything. If there's anything on Amazon that you have loved, let me know down below, because it's one of my favorite places to shop, including babies. So we get just about everything for the girls on Amazon: diapers, diaper wipes, their potties and toys, everything, like everything we get from Amazon. So I was thinking of making that a whole nother video on my vlog channel. So if you'd like to see that too, give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And yeah, that was a lot of fun to do. I feel like I talked about a lot of like beauty and just decor and fun things, but I will leave links down for everything down below. And yeah, if you guys have not yet subscribed, subscribe now, join the fam, and I will see you guys in my next video.